Siya ngokushabalala isizukulwane sabaholi be-ANC abafana noAndrew Mlangeni. I-ANC yaphinde yamenza uhlalo wekhomishana elibhekele ubuqotho bamalunga. Kepha-ke iqembu elibusayo lazishaya indiva iziphakamiso zale khomishana nokwaphoqa ukuthi uMlangeni akhulume edlangaleleni ngenkohlakalo kanye nokungahanjiswa kwezinto ngendlela eqenjini.
Being publicly critical was one of the most painful experiences that did not accord with his values. He got pushed into this position due to the inaction by the National Executive Committee of the ANC on implementing recommendations of the Integrity Commission.
UMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi uMlangeni ubengasabi ukuveza ukukhathazeka kulabo abaxhaphaza ingqalazinda yombuso bengayilandeli nemigudu yeqembu elibusayo.
If his passing does indeed mark the end of an era, we must ask ourselves the question, what now? What shall define this new era?
Wayengumongameli wezwe uThabo Mbeki unxuse iANC ukuthi ihloniphe uMlangeni ngokuthi ibhekane nezingqinamba ezaphakanyiswa yilabo ababehamba icala iRivonia.
The ANC should constitute a consultative conference specifically to look at this matter of its renewal. We need that renewal of the ANC so that the ANC can then discharge its responsibility towards the people.
Abazukulu bachaze uMlangeni njengomuntu obenothando ungakaze abalaxaze abantu abehlala nabo eSoweto kwaze kwaba uyahamba emhlabeni.
I see his love in those committing themselves to a truly free and an honest South Africa, which of course he loved so much and never gave up on.
Njengoba leli qhawe selilele eduze konkosikazi walo nje, iANC isisele nomsebenzi wokubuyisela iqembu kulezi izimiso zakudala iphinde ikhuculule inkohlakalo. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba zeSABC eGoli.
Amalungu osapho izihlobo noluntu lonke lwaseSoweto kuquka noMzantsi Afrika uphela evalelisa kwiqala lomzabalazo ubaba uAndrew Mlangeni. Kwikhaya lakhe elisedube kubekho uche wenkonzo emfutshane nebihlakulela inkonzo enkulu esindlekwe kwidyunivesithi yaseGauteng kwicampus yaseSoweto. Kaloku iANC nelikhaya likaba uMlangeni vakalise udandatheko noko ngokukhothama kwakhe.
Well, there is a generation of leaders currently leading the ANC. Those are the people who must pick up the spear and continue to do the work that Mlangeni and his generation were doing. Some of these leaders are in the National Executive Committee of the ANC, some are in other structures. We are all over.
Eliqala le-ANC liminyaka ngama-95 ubudala libhubhe kwiveke ephelileyo kwisibhedlela i-1 military eSepitoli. Abaninzi ke bebevakalise ungaxoli kwabo indlela abantu abangaqelenananga ngayo ngethuba kulungiselelwa ukusindleka lomngcwabo weliqala lokugqibela kwabaseRivonia. Kodwa ke iANC ikhawuleze yaphendula.
An impression can be created that we have been reckless in terms of the numbers that came to the fore when the coffin arrived, and it is something that lasted for less than 10 minutes, and then the people dispersed.
Hamba kahle mkhonto. Zamaya ka khotso mhlokwa.
Ubomi bendoda echazwe njengegorha ebelingacingiso lalaphi xa beliqubisana norhulumente wengcinezelo eMzantsi Afrika ufikelele esiphelweni. Uphilile kambe ze wabhubhe phakathi koluntu ngokubanzi lwaseSoweto, kodwa ke ngoku kuthiwe ndlelantle ngesidima nesithozela. Ikhaya lokugqibela lonyana womgquba utata uAndrew Mlangeni ushiya ngasemva umqelo uyakusoloko uthothoza ukuqaqamba kwizizukulwana ngezizukulwana, kodwa ke ikhaya lakhe lezopolitiko iANC linomcelo omngeni omkhulu wokubuyekeza isidima salombutho umnyaka elikhulu-48 ubudala. NdinguAbongile Dumako kwindaba zeSABC eSoweto.